The Dow Jones Industrial Average is one of the most recognized barometers for the health of the American stock market. Often just called the Dow, it tracks 30 prominent companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. Unlike broader indexes, the Dow only looks at 30 industrial companies that represent significant sectors of the economy. The index is price-weighted, meaning companies with higher share prices have a larger impact on the total movement of the index. While the Dow focuses on 30 major firms, the S&P 500 tracks 500 companies, providing a much wider view of the market. Because it is price-weighted, the index does not perfectly reflect the total market value of the companies within it. Remember that the Dow is just one tool to gauge market sentiment, not a comprehensive reflection of every stock in existence. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more basics. This is educational content and not financial advice.